Hey young buddies, in this session let us learn a concept on dual nature. This concept is from modern physics and is very important for your IIT and NEET preparation. You can surely expect a question from this concept. Let me explain you this concept with a magical shortcut. Before that, let us read the numerical for us. An electron is accelerated from rest through a potential difference of V volt if the de Broglie wavelength of the electron is 12.27 into 10 power minus 2 nanometers. The potential difference is. This is the numerical. To apply the concept in the traditional method, the answer comes out in a very large mode and it's a laborious process. I am here with a magical shortcut. Here it is. De Broglie wavelength lambda is given by 12.27 angstroms by the square root of V. This is the formula to be applied. Now, in this particular problem, what you are given is the wavelength. You are given wavelength. So, let us write the wavelength lambda as 12.27 into 10 power minus 2 nanometer, which comes out as 12.27 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 9 meters, where 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. This is the only data given. Let us apply here. Now, the potential difference root V becomes 12.27 angstroms by lambda. Applying lambda 12.27, you know angstroms in meters comes out to 10 power minus 10 meter by the value of lambda is 12.27 into 10 power minus 11, minus 2 and minus 9 comes out to minus 11. Now these two get cancelled and even these two get cancelled. Here we have minus 1 left over, get it in the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 1. So the value of root V is equal to 10. Otherwise, V becomes the square of this, which is 100 volt. This is how simple it is. Do compare this with the traditional method of calculating this particular numerical and enjoy the magical shortcut. Hope you have followed. Stay tuned to us to learn more and more shortcuts like this. Thank you.